Hey there. Sometimes my odometer and my gear selection goes blank. So, looked on a couple videos, found out that a little nugget on the board likes to get toasty. So, I'm going to take off this. I pried this open and I'm going to take out this bolt. And watch how fast I can do this. There's 2 bolts here. No, there's 1 bolt there. And I've read that there's a couple bolts up in there. So I'm going to do that real quick. And I'm going to show you how to do this after watching 2 other YouTube videos on how to do this. Okay, key trick that I saw on the other YouTubes. Get your gear shifter out of the way. Makes it easier to get into that. Alright, I got 4 screws out of the way. Let's see if this thing pops out like it does on YouTube. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, we're looking good. Before I get too far, safety first, right? Am I right? Wow, that is nice and dusty. Luckily, I'm just going to take it out. Watched a couple videos on YouTube about how to do this YouTube video. And sounds like there's clips right here and here. And maybe there's like 2 here. And there's bolts underneath this. So we're getting close. I'm going to try and push this down, he said. Or maybe pull it up. I don't remember. I'll have to watch it again. Save you guys some time. Maybe you can just watch all these videos. Okay, got these top clips out. And that was the hardest part yet. You notice I put that bolt back in, and I lost that bolt. Somehow it grew legs and went that way. So we'll find it later, but I got these popped off. Now we're gonna get the bottoms using a pry bar, but these were like, you had to pull so hard, and you have this right there with your knuckles. Man, that was really hard. And I'm pretty much a pro mechanic too, so all right, we got all 4 out. Just a little popping rock. Need to lower this steering wheel down a little bit. There we go. Holy smokes. Yeah, you had to yank those. Weird how yank a bench these. See. Oscar. Thanks, Oscar. I got all 4 bolts out of the way. And they look like this. They are 7mm. And just to let you know, I lost this one due to ADD or something like that. And I could not find it. I spent about 30 minutes looking for it, and the socket, the 7mm socket, ran off with it too. This is another one. And when I pulled this one out, this is the one I lost earlier. When I pulled this one out, it fell into this little hole here. So now I know where the socket and the other one went to. So watch out for that. So I guess now what we do is we grab this and we just pull it out. And if you want to see someone struggle with it pulling it out, you can watch other YouTube videos. And just a quick clip, pull that back just like this. That center part. Boop. What I've read on the internet is you just take these apart. It's like a Christmas present. Hey, A. That must be my grade. Yeah. Oh, probably don't want to do that. So it just said, no, you're going to do that again because that effing hurt. Let's see if that fall broke anything. So that needs to be cleaned severely. Okay. So what it has, they have stops. This is about usually where my car is, right around there. And then about right here is where it explodes. All right, so let's test the battery one. So what I heard is that you spin it counterclockwise and then keep spinning and it pops off. So we'll practice on the battery because you don't really care about your battery, right? So, okay. Yeah. That did not feel good. Okay. We've got good news, folks. We did it right. So, the stop, you feel the stop there? Feel that? ASMR? You twist past that. Okay. Pull up. Ta-da! Past that and pull up. There we go. Twist past that and pull up. There we go. Sweet. I'm a needle pro. Oh. Okay. So this was exactly what they were talking about in all the videos. This little, I'm going to use my speedometer needle. Right there is burn up a little bit. And what I'm going to try and do is resolder it. You're supposed to solder that guy, give that guy a good solder, and in the videos I've seen, they've just touched up all of those and the ground there. So I'm not an experienced solder person. I went to Home Depot and got soldering gear. So I guess we'll see, right? We'll see if that works. There's a little stop there. You see that's those stops. So you pop your needle on push it all the way down, and then there's tension. Tension, you pull that tension all the way back. That stop.
Put this back on.
Okay, let's go back to the car. So, screwed it back in, plugged it up, wrestled it in there, plugged the battery back up before I totally put it all back together. Looks like I fixed it. Now, I know it was working when I started this video, but it was going in and out, so maybe I'll follow up in a couple days with this video to see if it sticks.